Okay, so we're gonna take the cork or the bottle caps. We're gonna take it, we're gonna dip it in the paint. And I like to, since I have the paint on real thick, I kind of dab it off on the paper plate to get it not so thick. And then we're going to hold the paper down because the paint can get kind of sticky. Ooh, here's some thunder. And we're just going to press down on the paper to leave an imprint. Got a thunderstorm going at my house. I hear thunder. Could take the next bottle cap, dip it into the paint, and just I would do one or two or three little dots. You don't need to do many. You don't want to take up the entire paper because we are going to draw on the dots once they are dry. So I'm going to use now the water cap. Dip that in the paint to where it's not too thick. Dab. And last but not least, I am going to use the wine cork because it is pretty, it looks like a cylinder and it is pretty circular. So 1, 2, and I'll do one more, 3. Okay. So now we are going to let this dry. And once it's dry, then we are going to put the heads on and the legs and the dots. Sound good? Good. All right, so this one is mostly dry. So I'm gonna take my fat marker. This is the one that I found that works probably the best. And what we're gonna do for the ladybug head is make half a circle, just like that, a half a circle. And then you're gonna color it in. Perfect. And then ladybugs, as I've shown you in the pictures, let me see if I can bring it up again so you can see what they look like. Okay, here, I'll bring up that picture. So as you can see, oop, I don't want to get in the paint. They do have spots and they do have like a split down the middle where their wings are. So what we're gonna do is, I'm going to split them down the middle. Okay, and we could put on as many dots as you had. You could put on 10 because we learned that ladybugs can have anywhere from 0 to 20. So I'm gonna put, I think I'm gonna put 5 on each side to equal out 10. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's one side. Let's do 5 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty, so we got 5 on each side. Let's look next. Let's see how many legs these ladybugs have. I think you can see them. So you see, ooh, I don't want to write on there. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. I didn't know they have 3 legs on each side. I thought they only had 2. So I'm gonna have to add more to my done one because I only put 2 on each side. So let's do 1, 2, 3. All right, on one side, then 1, 2, 3. Sound good? And then they do have little antennae, which are the little things sticking out of their head. That's how they feel, that's how they know where they're going. So I'm gonna make mine kind of cute because I think that it would look cute. So that's how I made mine. Yeah, they're quite long, but I think they look cute that way. So you do that for all your ladybugs and then you have a cute picture. So I'm gonna get the picture that I did, which is right here. And this is the picture I did. So I did only do 2 legs. I can add more, which I should add more. So I'm gonna pause this, add another leg for my lady. So I finished. I did add the 3 legs on each side, like the picture we saw. And I did add the head and the antennae and the dots. Now I did do the dots the same on each side, the same number of dots. You don't have to do that. I'm just a little OCD about that stuff, so I did the same number of dots on each side. But that's what you should end up with, is a nice little picture of your ladybugs. Okay friends, well I hope you enjoyed my activity about my bottle cap ladybugs, and I will see you next time. Hope you have a good day.